The idea of doing this is just kind of sort of makes me feel really happy about the fact that we can do it and that the people like having it done.
Those were just a few words from Jerome Kretschmer, one of the project developers for La Central, an up-and-coming housing development in the South Bronx. As we approach the holiday season, more people are giving thanks.
We feel that it's necessary to involve the community in what we're doing, both from an employment point of view and from a living point of view, obviously, when the apartments are done. But in the meantime, we're just saying thank you to the community for the fact that we're here and that we treat them with respect and they treat us with respect. And it's fun. This is a great day.
Congressman Jose E. Serrano from the 15th District explains the goal of the La Central food voucher giveaway.
Well, this event is put together by folks who feel that it's important to help people out at a certain time. And certainly we're thankful for all we have in this country, but there are people who are in need of some food help, there are people who are in need of some shopping help, and so what this event does is bring them all together. There's food to be served, but there are also vouchers being given out so that people can go and get a Thanksgiving dinner, which is so important for all of us. But during this time, it's when New Yorkers and Americans in general, I think, show who we really are. We try to help others, some do it through donations to a group, the food bank or whatever, and others then do it by coming out and helping people get a meal for Thanksgiving so that we can all be thankful.
Hudson Companies, Communal Life, along with so many other organizations, in conjunction with Community Board 1, came together to help Bronx residents start their holiday season right. We spoke to one of the sponsors of the event, President of Mount Co Construction and Development, Joel Mounty, about why his organization decided to help sponsor this altruistic event.
The Community Board 1 reached out to us through our community liaison that this has been a tradition in the community to sponsor a Thanksgiving event, and since now we're fortunate enough to be the builders of this project and we're within the community, we thought it'd be great to sponsor and support the project and do a little give back to the community. We appreciate being here.
The groundbreaking for La Central included housing commercial development, a new YMCA, and BronxNet's new television studios, set to debut in 2020.
This is a wonderful event. You can see there's a long line of people here. So ourselves as elected officials, not-for-profit organizations, and even companies like La Central, this area here, are here to provide a little happiness.
All attendees received a voucher valued at $25, and some very lucky winners also received a free turkey or gift certificate for the upcoming holiday. We caught up with one of the winners who expressed his gratitude and shared his own experience with charitable work.
I think it's a wonderful thing. I happen to be a TA president for Adam Houses, and I do the same thing. I give back. I was able to receive turkeys yesterday, who I gave back to 30 of my residents, and so giving back is always a good thing, especially if it's been given to you. But in biblically speaking, too much is given, much is expected. So in leadership, I always like to give back to empower the people in the community.
Reporting for BronxNet, this is Kib and Aline.